Hello, Dr. LRG here, bringing you 30 seconds of insight, keeping it real with weekly hashtag Wednesday Wisdom. This past month, our MPS leadership team has been zooming in on our goals for the year. Guided by our district vision and mission, we are boldly dreaming with determination, focused on equity and belonging. In Nyack, we believe that every single child deserves to be seen. That belief is embedded in our ideas and motivation for the future. It guides every decision, every conversation, and every step we take together as a district team. We are centered in the daily reminders with each other that real excellence only happens when students are seen, heard, and valued for who they truly are. What do you aspire or inspire today? Share your insight with your friends and colleagues. And remember, Red Hawks rise together.